Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through the B787 Prsov filter replacement, explained clearly as per the aircraft maintenance manual. This video is for training and familiarization purposes only. What is Prsov? The pressure regulating and shut off valve, or Prsov, controls and regulates bleed air supplied from the engine or APU to the pneumatic system. The Prsov filter protects the valve from contamination and ensures smooth system operation. Before starting any maintenance task, always refer to the current revision of the AMM and follow all safety precautions. Aircraft on ground, parking brake set, engines and APU off, pneumatic system depressurized, electrical power as per AMM requirement, and allow components to cool before maintenance. For access, locate the Prsov as per AMM, open the applicable access panel and ensure area is clean and free from contamination. For Prsov filter removal, identify the filter housing, place protective covers to prevent FOD, slowly loosen the filter cap, remove the filter element carefully and inspect for contamination.